Hello and welcome to the latest edition of the Corr Report. Today I wanted to give you an update on really a variety of things, and of course we'll start with what's topic of mind for everyone, AWC's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. We made a decision in the past week to go exclusively online for the summer session. We wanted to do this just as early as possible, one, out of an abundance of caution for our students and faculty and staff safety, but also to allow our faculty and students to plan for the summer semester. The past few weeks have been remarkable in terms of our faculty's response to our students' learning needs. We've done some great work moving courses online, really a dynamic response full of passion and concern for our students. I've been really proud of both our faculty and our students as to how we've responded to this. Knowing that we'll be exclusively online for the summer allows us to come to some of those solutions such as testing or assessing of student learning from a distance that have been troublesome during this very rapid transition. We also made a decision in this past week to let our staff know that non-essential employees will be working exclusively from a distance through the end of the semester. So that working arrangement of working from home will remain in effect through May 15th. We also wanted to give our employees some level of certainty as they arrange childcare and get used to working from home and set up a home office and all those other things. We wanted to make sure they knew that that was going to be their means of working and contributing to this institution all the way through May 15th. Now, with that said, the work of the college continues. We've got a couple of really big events coming up in the coming weeks. In addition to continuing to serve our students, this Wednesday and Thursday will be 5 finalists competing for the Vice President of Learning Services position. Although we're working from a distance, although we won't be able to engage together during this process, you need to stay engaged. If you have any questions as how to participate through Zoom, just contact HR. The information's all there. We want you to interact with these 5 candidates, ask them questions, get to know them, get to know their views, express your concerns and views. And together, I'm certain that we're going to come up with a really remarkable candidate to fill that most important position of Vice President of Learning Services. We also have 1 week from today, next Monday, the 13th, a budget workshop. To be quite frank, the budget situation is very fluid. The next Corr report will deal exclusively with the budget for next year. But suffice to say that if you want to watch the budget workshop, which will be held 8 o'clock next Monday, take a look at the District Governing Board page on our website, or you can contact Ashley Harrington directly and she'll point you to where you need to go to get the Zoom feed. Engage in that process, know what's going on, because again, this is my 30th year in higher education, and this budget scenario for the coming year is the most complex and fluid of any I've experienced. So we will continue to do our best to maintain communication with you. I send out, with the help of our remarkable marketing and PR staff, a communication each Monday and each Thursday, kind of a beginning of the week and end of the week summary of what's going on at the college. I'm also engaging in Facebook Live. Those are Wednesday afternoon, and I'm joined by 2 or 3 guests. This week, I'll have Susie Zambrano and Kathy Ocampo with me. The following week, we hope to put together a panel of students. And I want to end with that thought, our thought of students. This morning, I, with Lori's help, penned a note to the campus that spoke of a charitable interpretation. I would ask that we all provide each other with a charitable interpretation during these really difficult times. I've heard from dozens and dozens of students, as I'm sure you have, who are struggling with this transition, who are uncertain of working from a distance, who are uncertain of their ability to navigate online instruction, who frankly miss their fellow students and their faculty. They're feeling a little alone, a little scared. Let's provide them with as much support and as a charitable interpretation as possible. I've heard from faculty who are struggling moving their courses online. who are struggling missing their students and worry, am I doing the job that I really need to be? Let's be charitable in terms of our interpretation of everyone here. Let's support each other. Let's support our students. Let's support this community as together we work through this unprecedented crisis. Today, it really is a great day to be a Matador. Thank you.